It's time for another staycation, and this time I've come to Scarborough. I'm staying at the Premier Inn North Bay, and it was really good value. We booked 3 nights and it was only £280. We found the hideout online, let's see if it's any good. Well, the hideout's really good, I can recommend this to anybody.
Peak Zone Park really is a lovely park, and don't forget you can come and see the battleships on certain days here. North Bay Fisheries do some of the best fish and chips in Scarborough.
It's Friday, I'm in Scarborough, so it has to be fish and chips for tea.
Research paid off. These were some of the best fish and chips I've had in a while.
I've had a walk round this morning and found the lookout at the harbour. What a great place to sit and have a coffee and some really cool views.
Wow, £5 each for a ride on a big wheel is really great value.
The rooftop's a great place to stop off for a coffee.
So I enjoyed my time in Scarborough, found some really nice restaurants, quite a few things to do, like all UK seaside resorts. It's got its own edges, shall we say, but you know what, I would recommend a couple of days here anytime. And just to finish off, a lemon twist from Harbour Bar.